Hi friends, this video shows how to enable developer options. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, then go down, then tap on about phone, tap here, then tap on software information. Here we can see build number. On build number we need to tap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Developer mode has been enabled. Go back, again go back. Now under this about phone, here we can see developer options. Tap on that. So these are the developer options. From this list we can select the option which you want, then we can enable or disable it. For example, let me enable USB debugging. We can tap here and enable USB debugging mode. See, now I have enabled USB debugging mode. If you want to disable, again tap here and disable USB debugging mode. If you want to disable developer options, we can tap here and disable developer options. Then go back. See, now under about phone there is no developer options because I have disabled it. Okay, so this way we can enable developer options. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.